Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Today we are going to make a super soft savory rolls that is very famous in Gujarat and Rajasthan. It's known as Khandvi. Super easy, so let's get started. All we need is 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 2 cups of buttermilk, this is semi-thick consistency, salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric. Into a heavy bottom pan, with the help of a whisker, in goes my besan, in goes my buttermilk. We will stir it continuously until there are no lumps and we get a smooth, soft mixture. We add salt to taste and we add pinch of turmeric. This will give us a yellow color, natural color. We mix it into a medium heat. We stir it continuously for approx 3 to 4 minutes until our flour gets cooked and the mixture gets thickened enough. Roll our khandvi. As you can see, our mixture is getting thickening enough. Now we'll stir it more until we get this consistency. To check whether we can roll our khandvis, we have to take flat bottom non-grease. We spread it. We cool this down for until 1 minute. After a minute, as you can see, we can roll this. The khandvi is getting rolled and it will leave the plate completely. Yes, this will be correct time to off the flame. With the help of a flat spatula, we will gently spread it in the thinnest possible layer into a flat non-grease surface. Don't worry if it overlaps. After cutting into a required sections, we will start rolling it with the help of 2 fingers. It's very easy to roll it. Don't roll it too tight and leave your hands too loose. Go as the flow goes. You can see each and every rolls of khandvi and they are super soft, rubbery. When you just break with your hands, they are so nice looking. In the same way, I will roll all the rolls. These are super easy, very good for snack, appetizer, will wow your guests. I have taken into a serving plate. It's ready for tempering now. For tempering, all we need is tablespoon of oil, mustard seeds, sesame seeds, curry leaves, chilies, and we need coconut and coriander. Into a slow flame, we add mustard seeds. Once it starts spluttering, we add curry leaves. We add chilies and then we off the flame. I have slitted chilies in half. I add sesame seeds. Make sure your sesame seeds are roasted, otherwise they will pop up. It's ready for garnishing. We spread it nicely until it reaches to each and every rolls very properly. The decoration really gives a good look. It's all about eye appeal. Now it's time to add dry coconut. This is desiccated dry coconut. You can use fresh coconut as well and you can completely avoid it. It's optional. Now we add fresh herb coriander. This will really add a fresh flavor to any dish. For more yummy looking recipes, do subscribe, share and like my videos. Now it comes to my favorite part. Khandvi is finally ready to serve. All the hard work of stirring. You can see there, wow, I just cannot wait to taste it. It just melts in your mouth. Do try it at your home and let me know into the comments, but don't forget to subscribe my channel.